If you want to turn on or turn off tap and click sounds on Google Pixel 9a, then first of all we need to open settings. Once you open settings, you want to go to sound and vibration, and then you can scroll down, pretty much all the way down, in order to find tap and click sounds. And we have this switcher, so you can tap on the switcher in order to toggle this option. And that's it. If you're looking for more guides for Google Pixel 9a, then be sure to check out my channel. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in my next videos. Bye!